Yard number 3 today, y'all. So it is Tuesday, March 11, 0311 day for all them Marine Corps infantry grunts. 0311, happy 0311 day, y'all. Hey, just because you don't know, 0311 is their MOS, infantryman. All right, so March 11th, y'all. Anyway, hey, so I want to talk about something about route density. Okay, you're getting all these lawn care guys, you know, you're requesting knowledge on Facebook, YouTube, and you got everybody from the person who just started a week ago to the most experienced lawn care guy. All my customers are on the same route. You know, route density, that's gonna save you a lot of money and make you a lot of money. That is so true, y'all. That is so true, okay? I'm gonna tell you right now, most of them are lying. They don't got route density, okay? Because you know what, y'all? It takes time to make route density, all right? I've been doing this for 5 years, and I've been trying to keep everybody like within the same area. But well, I mean, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna not mow everybody on this side of town because most of our customers are on this side of town that you're trying to create route density for? You know what I mean? Like, you have to, route density takes time. Okay, this is my experience, okay? I've only been doing this for 5 years. I'm not the professional, I ain't the lawn care whisperer, you know what I'm saying? But all I know from my experience, like, dude, if you're gonna create route density, you just gotta make customers, all right? And if they fall, and if for some odd reason, if they all fall in with the same area, hey, you're blessed, all right? Good on you, okay? But you can't just, because you gotta think about, y'all, if we're focusing on one neighborhood, everybody has a lawn care guy already, you know what I'm saying? Or they're cutting their own grass. The only way to get more lawn care customers in that one area you want to focus on, it's either you gotta lowball yourself and steal customers from other lawn care guys, which is jacked up, all right? Because that's just ruining the lawn care industry and ruining that person's income, okay? Because you're lowballing just so you can steal customers, all right? So don't lowball to steal customers. That's messed up, yo, okay? You're hurting the other lawn care guy, and plus you're going to be hurting yourself, all right? So it takes time, y'all. Route density takes time, okay? So don't think you're a failure if you don't have route density, okay? It takes time. Through my experience, y'all, my experience, it takes time, okay? Now, I was at one point mowing like in all areas of, I'm in Jacksonville, North Carolina. I was like mowing in Hubert, Sneeze Ferry, Swansboro, Richlands, all right? I'm not doing that no more. That was my first 2 years, okay? Because I just wanted customers. I was just happy for customers, y'all. Now I am just focused in one area, and that is Jacksonville. All right, one city. I'm focused on one city, that's Jacksonville. All surrounding areas, after like right at the border, I'll take them. All right, I'll take them. Other than that, y'all, I'm in one area only this time, okay? Is that sun beaming on y'all? Can y'all see me? So that's just me, okay? So route density, y'all, it takes time. And how do you, hey, if you're watching this, okay, and you already got route density, a lot of customers in one area, how do y'all do it, all right? I mean, y'all go start knocking on doors, offering good deals, the next door neighbor rate. Hey, if I get five of y'all in the same block, I'll give all of y'all a $10 discount. How do you do it, y'all, okay? How do you create route density, all right? Leave a comment here for me, for everybody watching, all right? It is a how-to channel, lessons learned, route density, y'all. Let's talk about it. Leave a comment, okay? Y'all, it takes time, all right? Don't think you're gonna get route density like that, you know what I mean? Like in 1 year. I mean, hey, if you do, good on you, all right? If we're just focusing on our own block, by all means, that's good. I will tell you this, the reason why I'm not worried about route density, because I'm only focusing in one area, right? And I do have a Google profile page that I've been working on, building up, the SEO, optimizing it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm getting phone calls, y'all. Okay, so if you're getting those phone calls, don't worry about it, y'all. Okay, the people are gonna be calling, and next thing you know, oh wow, they're in the same area that I mowed those other yards at. All right, so hey, the phone's gonna be ringing. Okay, so in order to ring, hey, you need to mark it. Okay, do you got that Google profile? If you don't got that Google profile, you need to start doing that right now. All right, get that Google profile. All right, a brother of mine from church, he just started his Lawncare side hustle / LLC this year, and he's out there, him and his family's out there passing off flyers door to door, Sunday after church. All right, hey, you got to work hard, y'all, okay, to get customers. All right, knock on those doors. I will tell you this: knocking on a door, you have a 50-50 chance of getting a customer than just leaving a flyer on there. Because if you just leave a flyer on the door, they just get those flyers and just more likely just throw them away. All right, so hey, interact with people. Okay, knock on doors, be excited. You know what I mean? Act like you care. You know what I'm saying? Well, of course you care. You know what I mean? But show them that you want to cut their grass, that you want them to be your lawn care guy. All right, hey, so you gotta work at it. Okay, get that Google profile, knock on those doors, give out flyers. Hey, and God bless, man. Hey, good luck. See you on the next video. Leave a comment. Hey, please like and subscribe. Bye.